Yep, can fit a lot of geese in there. Not really, it's just supposed to be cute. Welcome back to Perseverance Pastures. Today we are putting on the metal roof for the Goose Cottage. I'm very excited about this because that also means we're coming close to the end of the project. I don't necessarily want it to be over with, I just want to see the final results. Also, we are racing the clock because tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so we definitely need the roof on, and I want to get the first coat of exterior paint on it just to make sure, you know, it's kind of waterproofed a little bit, or weatherproof. Let me show you what I'm working on now. We've been working and I have not been vlogging as much as I wanted to, but that's because when you get wrapped in a project, like, that's just sometimes what happens. We ended up staying up till like midnight to get this part done. Well, actually a lot more parts done, but it's coming along really well. This morning, my husband and I were kind of dividing and conquering. He is wrapping up the last board of here, like taking measurements to cut, while I've started a 10. I've cut this 10, now I'm like securing it on. And then we'll go get our second piece of 10 measure to cut. Okay, would you mind helping me hold this while I get a couple pieces screwed in?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, cool, thank you. Yeah, worked out super well.
I'll get another one in and then we can...
I'll see if it works though.
Am I good?
Yeah, I think you're good. Thank you for your help.
It shouldn't move.
What?
Like, it shouldn't really move.
No, now it shouldn't. Oh my gosh! Look at this little Goose Cottage! On to the next piece of 10. What's up?
Could you hand me the hammer and nails really quick?
Can't you tell I am filming the next big box office movie with my GoPro?
I apologize.
Yeah! Look how cute it looks! My first roof I've ever built or put together, or whatever it's called. Yep, can fit a lot of geese in there. Not really, it's just supposed to be cute. Not bad at all. Here is doing this roof, which this is the most visible roof, which is why I started with this roof first, because I knew I would mess up somewhere, but I really didn't. Only thing that's a little wonky on this roof so far is like where the screws are. These came pre-drilled. I was just gonna use the screw holes that are already there compared to making new ones and caulking the ones that are there. So that looks a little funky, but it's a cute little cottage, eclectic goose cottage that, you know, that's what we're giving to this new home. It's a new build, but there's lots of character to it, almost as if it's 100 years old. Yeah, so it's going well. One more piece, then I'll show you how I'm gonna do the cap, which I will link where I got the idea. I had the idea, but I looked it up on YouTube, and I just want to give credit where I think credit is due, but I saw this person who is doing what I did, so I'm gonna link their video in the show notes, because one, they are doing the how-to, or how they did it. And my video is not a how-to. It is a look what I'm doing. Okay, we have the cap done. This tin is pretty malleable, so I think we can just bend and screw it into place. How I cut the tin was with the angle grinder. I think to get a more clean cut, it would have been better to score and snap the tin. To be honest, just really love using angle grinders to cut things. Makes it super quick and easy. And as well as I pulled one of those, oh, this is gonna be faster to do it with the angle grinder. So yeah, let's go get this up on the roof to see if I can just bend it down and screw it in, or if I'm gonna have to come in and actually get a 45-degree angle. We will see. There we have it. The roof is, I'm gonna say 99% complete. We learned a lesson, so it's nice and kind of tight right there. And the gap in between the peak of the roof, but it just slowly worked its way up. I am not 100% sure on how you would fix something like that. I'm still thinking of ideas of what I want to do for the top of that. Right now it's hot and part of me is like, just leave it, but I'll think of something. But we officially have a roof. We still have a little ways to go before we are done, but that is exactly what I wanted to get done today, was the roof and painting the exterior, the primer coat. But it is reaching 90 degrees. And fun fact about me, I cannot work in that kind of heat, unfortunately, without getting a horrible migraine. So I'm gonna call it for the next couple hours and pick up a little bit and tackle it again this evening, see what else we can get done on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.